Hello, hello, hello. My name is Martin. This is FIT, Teach the Teacher assignment, week 6, last week of this course, and today I'm gonna explain financial health of the company called SAP. What is SAP? SAP is one of the largest providers of enterprise resource planning software. They specialize in artificial intelligence that they implement inside their software, and they work with cloud technology. One of the biggest competitors of SAP is Oracle. How am I going to analyze financial health of SAP? I think it's important to look at the company's balance sheets, and specifically, I'll look at these 4 points. It's revenue growth, profitability, cash flows, and liquidity. First, let's look at the revenue growth. I downloaded the company's balance sheet, and here you can see Cloud Enterprise Resource Planning Suite, Cloud and Software. It's basically different services that SAP provides. Uh, but I'm gonna look at total revenues from 2021 to 2025, and I can see that it has been steadily growing 2-3 billions every year. From 2021, it's 26 billions, or you can count it's in millions, so it's 26,000 millions 953. So it's 26 billions, and then in 4 years, in 5 years, it grew by 10 billions. It's nearly perfect revenue growth every year, like from a textbook. But it's also important not to only look for the revenue, but to see the profit, how profitable the company is, because they can make huge revenues, but still have some loss. And let's look at the operating profit, or even profit after tax. It's important. And it was on the same level, basically. If you look at the operating profit, it was almost the same for 4 years, and then in 2025, in 2025, it nearly doubled, and you can see it profit after tax. It also doubled in 2025 because more and more companies um have some deals and businesses contracts with SAP, and that explains it. But I think the most important part is to look at the company's cash flows, because profit and revenues are nothing without cash flows. Uh, a lot of firms go out of business, not because have they might have stable revenues, but if they don't have enough cash, they cannot pay their employees, they cannot pay dividends, they run out of business. And you can see here that cash flows were pretty much the same for 4 consecutive years, and then in 2025 they doubled, and I think it's also nearly perfect situation for a large company like SAP, and almost flawless. But one of the most important indicators for SAP, which management and investors look for, is a cloud backlog. Uh, Basically, cloud is one of the services of SAP, and the backlog in cloud means that um, some companies already have a contract with SAP, and they agreed to pay uh, some uh, amount of money to SAP in the future, but it's not yet, but we cannot see it on the balance sheet yet. So the backlog is grew very much from 2020 to 2024, and now it's 18 billions of future revenue. So in conclusion, I can say that SAP has very strong cloud revenue growth, and with other services, it's also very good revenue growth, rising profitability for 5 consecutive years, excellent free cash flow, and it's very overall it's very healthy balance sheet. But uh, problems that SAP might face, they're a different sort of problems. They're not financial. It's competition with Oracle and Salesforce, biggest competitors of SAP. And for investors, it can also mean that this is already reflected in the price of the stock. Uh, so yeah, that is my conclusion. Problems of SAP might come not from the financial health, but from other aspects. Thank you very much for watching 6 weeks of FIT Teach the Teacher assignment. Have a good day. Goodbye.